Guys. Oh, Jesus Christ. Shit. What the fuck?
Through the fire, I could conquer the night.
What is going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be visiting one of the most talked about tourist attractions here in the Republic of Albania. Okay guys, I thought I've seen scary, but this is scary. And that is one of the several hundreds of thousands of bunkers. Now, Albania is known to be the bunker capital of the world. It has several hundreds of thousands of bunkers lying around different parts of the city. There is known to be at least one bunker for every 5 kilometers that you walk around or you drive around in the country. So that's what I will be doing in this country. I've been here for about a week now and I've been enjoying the rich culture and history of this country. This is a beautiful country. If you're thinking about coming here, I would highly recommend it. So today I will be visiting one of the bunkers in the city, which is the Bunkart 1, which was one of the main bunkers here, but it's been repurposed to showcase the history. It's become a tourist attraction and it attracts tens of thousands of people every single year. So that is what I'm going to be doing in this video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like, and let me know in the comments what you think. If you're thinking about coming to Albania, I would definitely like to connect with you and see if we can just chop it up. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now let us jump right into it. So I just waved down a taxi and I'm off to visit one of Albania's top tourist attractions, and that is one of the bunkers here. Wow. Oops. Thank you.
Starting from here behind.
Okay.
Follow the road up until you see this huge logo at the entrance. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. All right. So this is what it looks like at the Bunkart 1. This is one of the many bunkers in Republic of Albania. Albania is known to have thousands and thousands of bunkers because they used to have a leader that was very skeptical of everything and paranoid, and he built thousands and thousands of this kind of bunkers in Albania. And I'm just gonna make my way to the bunker. The ticket here, the regular ticket, the normal ticket costs about 500 lek, which is like $5, and the taxi ride here cost me about 800 lek, like $8. So because they close at 4 and right now this is 3:15, so I literally have 45 minutes to find my way up to the bunker and back before the close. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I don't know what it looks like, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna hold a very good surprise. So this is one of the hundreds, if not thousands, of bunkers here in Republic of Albania, and I'm just going to go inside and just walk around, see what life was like back in the day, and I'm going to show you around, just bring you in, show you some of the live feed from inside of there. I heard it's very crazy, and let's hope it lives up to the hype. All right, so this is wow. Your head. Jesus. It's so quiet in here, guys. Oh, look at this. Concrete doors. Jesus Christ, look at that. Wow, can you hear that? Guys. Oh! Jesus Christ. Shit. What the fuck? What was that noise? And honestly, I don't know what the fuck just happened, but that was like the most scary noise I've ever heard in my life. Alright, so let's okay, so this is a map of the bunker and this is where I am right now. And I think I'm gonna make my way up to here and maybe go down there. I don't know. My sense of direction is so poor, but I'm gonna find my way. I'm gonna try to find my way. This is one of the residences in the bunker, and that thing right there, that thing like a radio, it still works. I'm not sure if you can hear it because I have a mic on right now, but that's the, I believe, Albanian anthem playing on the radio. And I believe this is the guy. This is the guy that created all of this. Crazy. They have a typewriter. They have a telephone. I mean, for a bunker, this place looks so cozy. I mean, I would live here if I lived back in the day. Look at those guns. It says do not touch. Crazy. Bunkart. You can even go all the way down. Nope, I'm not going down. All right, you know what? Let's go down. Let's see what they have in there. Okay, look what I found. This is the bunk shop. So apparently they had like a place where you could come and buy things, and you know, they had like a life going on in here. Like everything they needed, they had in here in this bunkers, which is like 3, 4, 5 floors deep, and they have an assembly hall inside of a bunker. Okay, so this is what the assembly hall looks like inside of a bunker. Remember, this is like 3, 4, 5 floors deep into the ground, about 50, maybe 60, 70 meters into the ground. And they have an assembly hall. And it's pretty cool. Look at all the things they have on the wall. The TV screens, they have like a, it's crazy. And they have a toilet. Let's see if it works. Of course, most of these things look modern. It doesn't look like this is from back in the day, but I mean, they had a toilet in here, guys. A freaking toilet. Wow. All right, so that was crazy. I mean, it's one of the most unreal things I've ever seen in my life. Like knowing that people went this far to protect themselves, or to just, you know, protect themselves from something they've never seen, from a fear that probably didn't exist at the time. Maybe it does exist at the time, but you know, just it's just crazy. But I think that was, again, one of the most surreal things I've seen, and I think it was really cool to see, you know, a lot of these things that happened back in the day, and I really enjoyed my time here. So if you're ever in Tirana, Albania, I would recommend that you come visit here. I mean, the history, some of the things that happened back in the day with the, you know, World War II, with the American forces colliding with the German forces and whatnot. Everything was so great. It was so great, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to slap a fat thumbs up and a like button. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing you along on my journeys across the world, you know, visiting cool places, and you know, bringing you along and showing you all of the things that, you know, exist on different, you know, sides of the world. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video. This is me from Bunkart 1 in Republic of Albania. Talk to you soon.